To trace source numbers back to original pages in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once inside your notebook, go to the chat panel where responses generated from your sources are displayed. When NotebookLM provides an answer, it includes citation markers or source reference numbers linked directly to the uploaded documents. These markers indicate which part of a response came from which source in your notebook. To trace a source number, click on the citation or reference attached to the specific sentence or statement. NotebookLM will then open a preview of the original source material and automatically highlight the exact passage used to generate the response. Once the highlighted section appears, you can examine the surrounding text to better understand the full context of the information. This is important because NotebookLM often extracts only relevant segments, not entire pages. If the source is a PDF or paginated document, you can scroll through the file using the built-in viewer to locate the exact page where the information appears. This allows you to match the citation back to its original page number for proper referencing. In some cases, multiple citation numbers may appear in a single response. Each number corresponds to a different section or source, so you can click each one individually to trace them back one by one. This tracing feature is especially useful for academic work, research papers, and verification tasks, as it allows you to confirm the accuracy of AI-generated responses by checking the original material directly. You can also manually note down page numbers or sections if you are compiling citations for reports or assignments. And that's how you trace source numbers back to original pages in NotebookLM. Click citation markers, view highlighted passages, and match them back to the original document pages for accurate source verification.